Mr. Answer. Mr. Answer. Oh, yo, Pablo YG back to man.
For all of the true Jamaicans, I want you to jump in my comments and confirm this.
We should have did just snip it in the bud from there, but I didn't want dirty people to feel like them win.
Welcome to Cold Burritos! Whoa! Let's go! Hold on. Okay, all right, start the music, Alexa. Alexa, stop. I was really trying to be Mr. Killer, but it just now worked, because apparently you can't really do this on a rug. I did, couple days ago and it worked fine. Alexa, pause. Alexa, stop. Alexa, volume 0. No, honestly, I'm convinced that Alexa is a Jamaican woman. Like, your name Angie. Your name is Angie or Sonia. Like, Alexa, never change your name. Never call you Sonia. Anyway, Burritos, welcome to the Monday Social Media Top 10 Countdown. I tried to do a grand entrance, but between my grind and the leg, it just never did that work. So check back next week when maybe I can do a better job. Okay, so we have some amazing topics. We have Kartel, we have Idonia competition, Saga, we have Sim Soul session with Junelle and all the controversy that it has been created. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the show.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening all the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Kartel top 5. All right, so recently Kartel was in an interview where Kartel actually mentioned the top 5 dancehall artists who he considered true and pure lyricists. Now, before we jump into that, we are going to play a little clip of when Kartel, talked about some of the upcoming acts that he has already established for his show in December. Take a listen.
Spice. How much people want to hear the show already? The first person to hear the show now.
Spice.
And enough if I'm Portmore again. Spice and Portmore, enough if I'm Portmore. You see me?
What about Papi?
I don't sure yet, I don't know.
Time will tell.
If they do good in a class, they never copy. But, yeah. Yeah, dog, but yeah. But, never copy. As time goes by, when we hear the lineup. But hear me, I can tell the people them this. And then a bag of man thing for me show.
Okay, yeah, man, so here says Spice, so the MC, Nuffy will be the person hosting, and we're not hearing a full confirmation of Popcorn yet. But if me feel like Kartel wants Popcorn to be a special surprise. From here says Popcorn is going to be in attendance, he will definitely be up on the stage. You know how Kartel get to work already. He wants a surprise and have that moment of unity on the stage. So now let's get back to Kartel's top 5 dancehall entertainers. Take a listen.
All right, I have to put. What we are from in my time to now, I have to put.
Yeah, man.
Labas. Obviously, I have to put Skilly Bang in it. Simply because his style different. I don't know if people listen to the youth about what I put Sassin in it. You know what I mean? Because we are talking from my time forward.
Your time forward up, yeah.
Put Sassin in it. What I put Donia in it.
Did it and Donia?
Yeah, mother put him in it. What's mother say? And this will be the honorable mention.
Yeah.
Oh no. But like the whole I look at you, the most of them but they like crap and sinful and what's sinful name again? Raja?
Raja, why?
Bad youth, craft them, bad, said 450 bad.
Oh, okay. All right, of course, Idonia expected him to only put enough the young artist them as well, but he did not go into detail. No, people, you feel like say that 5th person is definitely Alkaline. You think Alkaline name him the one call, but him just know say him never want to really give Alkaline the promotion and that like space right now. What you think Berry does? Sound off below and let me know what you thought of his top 5. Number 9, Tyrese question. Me, sweet lady, won't you be my sweet love for a lifetime? Sing it with me. If you need me. I just that a while ago, I could carry the note. You know them like a sing a thing that when you feel like you can't bother strain, so you just turn it. You see that? We tell you some real singing, okay? And everybody know them like a technique there. Where you just, y'all forget your song lyrics and you just. Yeah, man. I saw it go. If only I could do that with the show. Like, I could have just a box cover. No, don't mimic me. Do not mimic me. I feel like I don't know my intro, don't it? I don't know the intro. I don't know how me carry on. Don't mimic me right now. Anyway, so Tyrese recently posed a question online where he was just basically saying, say, yo, the Jamaicans, them and the true Jamaicans, them make him realize what are the meaning of these bad words. You know, like the raw cloth and the blue cloth and the little cloth. Yeah, man, the cloth, man, we're full of cloth down here, man. Jesus P.M., we're full of cloth. Okay? And so this is what he shared.
Okay, listen, I'm just jumping on real quick. Happy Saturday around the world. For all of the true Jamaicans, I want you to jump in my comments and confirm this. And for all of the Jafakans, all of the ones who say these words every day and don't even know what they're saying and don't know what the origins is of what they're saying, oh man, I just got a lesson of life for a real, true Jamaican, born and raised. Did y'all know the clot, clot, and clot? Do you know what those words mean? Do you know what the true origins of those words mean? If you know what those words mean, I want you to jump in my comments and spell it out for the world.
All right, Tyrese. I mean, the man look like so will find the cure for cancer the way him a great excitement over the news. Like, him did go through his entire life and him never did get closure until him find out where cloth mean and blood clot. Any other clot? How much other clot you have? Oh, you have clot. How much other clot you have? Oh yeah, then you have the compound one, which is the brown clot. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna add a new one. Dutty no. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna save the one here. Box cover clot. Box cover clot. See there? So when you're cursing, let's make box cover cloth a thing. Okay? So just use it in a sentence in the comments down below. If you're under 18, don't, because your mother and God is watching. Okay? Yeah. Number 8, horse attack. Me thundering down the straight to the furlong to go, but look at this looking joke and looking joke with the furlong to go. tomorrow. Yeah, man, me came on a track. All right, so the horse them under attack. The horse have been suffering. The horse have been dying. We do not know what is going on in Jamaica, but the animals, them look like they escaped from Caymanas. And so take a listen to this news story that suggested that on the highways and the byways, the people them are traverse and I met them way and a vroom vroom when out of nowhere came a stampede, a legion of horses.
This is one of the 14 vehicles which was damaged in Friday's incident. Motorists who witnessed what had happened described the horses as wild and out of control. Larkland Brown says he was in his car when
there was like about 7 horses, like running come straight to my car. And, I stopped, just to, see if they would go past me. But instead they go past me, they just start, crashing in the car, jumping on top of the car and jumping on the bonnet, mash up all of my car, all of my car bonnet, all of the top, the glass, the windscreen, and everything mash up.
And when I grow in the car and when I look, the road was full of a BS general. I break up, I come to a complete stop. When I come to the complete stop, I look on the other ass in front of me. So.
That's some messed up stuff. That honestly is some messed up stuff. Like I've actually read some stuff and them say like if you are driving on a highway and you see an animal, in the middle of the road and you can't really do much, better you just actually make a direct impact with the animal. And I'm like, oh darn. So if you want to save life and preserve life, it's like, boy, it's actually better for you to make impact with the animal. And so it's just kind of sad. I'm more kind of concerned about who actually had control of these animals, who did these the horses belong to, because them just Lego. Somebody did ask them Molly. That is what I think. Did somebody ask them Molly and then all of a sudden them just willy-nilly? Somebody must throw down some stuff in the grass and maybe the horse them get high and then let me sing Kartel. Get wild. Oh yeah, same thing Kartel asked them do. Get wild up in your head. You're feeling in a belly. That is probably what I asked them did I go through. Okay. So burritos. So I'm going to send out my condolences to the horse and the loved ones of the Thundering Down the Street community at Cayman and Struck. We don't know. Just prayers and yeah, man, just stay the course. Not that course. Yeah, man. Okay. Course. Sorry, something coming to my mind. I want to get involved with course. Number 7, I don't hear competition. Totally. All right, now, so recently there was a competition, a dance competition that was, I guess, put on from a recent Idonia song. And a chair of the competition, of course, was a Whining Machine. She is a dancer. I think I know her for dancing with several entertainers, as well as Moya. And, Moya was in backseat, yeah. And so she, I guess, was the chair of the competition. And people entered, showing off them dance moves, doing them little moves to Idonia's song. But it looked like so when a time for the prize giving and all of these festivities to happen, there was no money that was dispersed. So one of the dancers then came out and said this.
Get to find out, say I don't even know about the competition. So tomorrow morning, I really will get to the bottom of this. Because if one artist don't know about the competition, that now add up. I want my money.
Okay, all right, this don't really look good enough. She call up Idonia name, No, let me just be fair. I don't think Idonia is a person that would have been in charge of this disbursement. It's probably somebody on his team that would have, been assigned to actually take care of that part of the dealings. But it look like them drop the ball now, so Idonia will be getting all of the blame. And so in the midst of this, the chair of the competition, Whining Machino, decided to take to her social media to clear the air, also informing people that should not even get no money as well. Take a listen.
So guys, on the behalf of myself, which me been a long time, this beyond my control, me never know say this would have turned out so. Respectfully, me and the DJ the good. So me never that think say me have to jump for get no money nor nothing. Well, no money no run, me no get my money either. So for the dancers them, we come participate in the competition, and them do what them supposed to do. First, second place, third place. When I get them money, my apology. Me still that hope say the money that I run because me can't believe. Well, it no run. I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do more than telling some sorry. Me been telling you that already.
Oh wow. No, up until now, I don't really hear much from Idonia's camp for really shedding a light to it. So I am just as clueless as you what the Boxfoot is going on. No, I know a lot of times people when they participate or then we use an artist song, sometimes they can feel entitled to earnings because they have promoted, whether it was a directive, but if them promote them feel like they're supposed to get some compensation. But in a case like this, if the girl them did participate in the competition and then them did owe some prize money, then the people them on the team just do the right thing because I don't like them look a bag around. That's kind of give them little money so them can go out in business and we can have peace and love on earth. Okay, burritos, that is it. What you say? Wine for the money or nah? Jesus Christ. Why did I have to wrap up that like that? Gosh. Number 6, Nige lifted. Our burritos know. So me have nothing much for us saying because this video is pretty much self-explanatory. Just take a listen. A look. Why? I listen. Jesus Christ, I think a Nige may I talk to. Just take a look at this video. No. Who let this happen? Who let this? I don't like this for Niger boy. We're not going to the big bad artist like this. No, you know what actually reached me? In his mind, what did he think was going on? That is the question. Like, come here, me know him know little stuff, but me like, in his mind, did he have another vision of how things did progress than the audience? That is what I want to know, because in a female, him could have really, well, no, him would have known. Because the girl, they lift him up though. She's strong though. She really strong. I have him. Like, I don't love that. But you know, let me just say, Niger boy, you are the only guy right now who is getting to get the king treatment. You get me? Because with that now, imagine how much man can see a woman sweep him off her feet. How much man can say that? Niger boy, that is your do this and beat me. Because you're the continental boss. You get me? Only if a man feel kill up themselves and open up door for woman and stuff, but you get a lady to sweep you off your feet, and that is how you change the narrative, Niger boy. You see your PR team, if you put up on your PR team, I saw you spin the story. You spin the story, okay? That's what you do, okay? All right. Alexa, play You Raise Me Up. Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, volume 10. Why this song still play? Like, honestly, like, Alexa don't stop. I don't could kill this song you love. Like, I'm something I have it own mind, you know, like, me see where I go on, you know. Number 5, Tifa stops it. Misspell it out. All right, now, so our dancehall artist Tifa recently, began posting her love life on social media. Of course, she was covering up the man's face and all kind of things as she engaged in love and she go out and all of these festivities, right? And many of her fans were here for it. But many people never did hear for the fact that she cover up the man's face because people fast and people want to know who the brother is. Remember the same way how them did very much involved when Chanel Muir did have fear, man. Okay? And the same way how them did just so curious and want to identify who this mystery man was. And it looked like said their curiosity got the best of them and they went to some great length. Take a listen to what Tifa shared.
Guys, I will not be posting anymore in my personal life on social media. I never used to do it. I'm just in a season where I'm just happy and carefree and I live my life, but honestly, from them use the AI, freeze the video frame, use the AI and take off the emoji off of the man face and send it go over the blogs. I should have did just snip it in the bud from there, but I didn't want dirty people to feel like them win. You know what I mean? And especially the fact that they were talking about my partner so negatively over the blog, I felt a responsibility because I was the one that put it out there. People evil. Especially when they come on to me, I don't know what me do, people. People are so evil and I just, yeah.
No man, people on social media are wild. They are wild. Like she said that she used emoji and they must use AI to actually remove the emoji and reveal the person's face. Like, me don't know what the purpose of this was, because me are like, it's not that serious. It really not that serious, but I guess there are people out there when I have nothing to do, and it was just a fun chore for them. And so Tifa has decided to live a more private life and to really keep certain parts of her relationship to herself. And for that, Tifa, round of applause. Round of applause, because I understand, like a part of the branding is part of putting yourself out there, because when people kind of find out more about you, them feel more connected. But you see, because when you know the other side of social media, that if a relationship lasts all 10 months, when you put in social media in the mix, it make it only last like a couple weeks. That is that. You have to preserve your little life. Enjoy yourself, Tifa, and continue to do the things them. Oh, honestly, like, why, my motivational speech, I'm going with it. You know what? It's clearly, God. I pray for me. Pray for me, Burritos, because I don't know what I'm going with me.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Ahmed Mohsin.
Number 4, Aunty Donna versus World Dawg. Me bangarang. Okay, Burritos know. So, yeah man, World Dawg and Aunty Donna have been at it lately. So, if you don't know, if you've been living under a rock, Aunty Donna recently put out on her social media that she will be having a brunch in Florida. Yeah man, and the brunch costs $150 US. $150 US. The brunch costs. You're going to get cake, you're going to get the little food like lobster and this and that, and all of them local festivities there, $150. And so some people were kind of like, kind of scoffing at the cost, including social media personality World Dawg. Now, this is what he shared.
Listen, Aunty Donna have an event up in Fort Lauderdale, and the price for the ticket is $150 plus tax and fee. So that's around 180, 175, depends on our tax, 190. But I want to know, if you know, say $2 for 1 pound of chicken in a foreign, sometimes if you catch it at 11, you can get it for 99 cents out I mean store. I want if you don't know, say in foreign, lobster is not expensive.
Yeah man, same talk about the cost and say too expensive and things over foreign cost that much, and basically kind of wonder like why it have a cost so much and what's so special about Aunty Donna and fair brunch make it a cost $150. And so Aunty Donna got wind of that and she did not like what World Dawg expressed. Here's what she shared.
I have a nation named the Planka Nation. I come on social media and tell them say I'm broke, I'm hungry, and I have no money to eat. And whole marathon for myself, out and bad and boldly. What me say? I make turn down money from people per year. When I'm a birthday, when I any little thing when I have, and this year woman I tell Planka say me no want nothing. And if it reach to the point, me no have to rob nobody. Me come out and me beg cause them willing. So I don't know why you abandoned my event. It never say TikTokers, it never say young people, it's a Planka Nation. You see how them come out for me in New York? Me see you put up your business last year, and me put it on my page and congratulate you. You never remember? And even talk about it and say, I'm proud of you when you open your store. So why you know I take up my flyer and I talk about it for? Like you tell people, say, Aunty Donna charge too much. If Aunty Donna didn't want to charge $1,000 Aunty Donna business, just like how you have your TikTok a friend and your follower, them have my own.
Oh, okay, me can definitely understand. I understand Aunty Donna. I understand, and I think I'm going to agree with Aunty Donna on this one. Me get it. I can understand World Dawg critique, but you see, because Aunty Donna in the past has actually supported and applauded World Dawg when he opened his business venture in Florida as well. And I'm sure people would have probably talked about the costing as well as it relates to some of the competitors. But what you have to understand is that depends on your offering. Aunty Donna actually has a spending audience and they're older. Just like when you got Carib, the cost for them have for the chips them in there, it's more expensive. You right? And if Lisa and I have one brunch best believe say now gonna be the regular cost for your brunch. And Aunty Donna, she's put herself in a certain position now where when you also pay for a little bit of the celebrity as well. And I'm pretty sure she should probably have pictures, mingling, DJ. It's going to be probably one whole entire experience that you're going to be getting with the $150. And so I get it, but like you have to remember your audience, because that's why when you go a party, you have VIP, you have VIP, look on Kartel show. You get me? All of we now go for the 10,000, the 10 million, how much? 10,000 US? But there are some people who, them clearly can't afford it. We just have to just go in the places them where we can afford. So, you know, give her some pass with that, World Dog. And Aunty Donna, yeah, just continue for your thing, okay? All right. Yeah, man. Number 3, are you single? J.A. Our burritos know, so this comes courtesy of TikTok. So there's a new trend called Are You Single, where, you know, you play one little song and you're supposed to reveal if you're single or not. So you have a little flash on the screen now and you show a little glimpse of you and your bae that would, I guess, indicate to your users that you're in a committed relationship. And if you're not, adjust yourself. So when the thing flash, adjust you alone for just show say you're single. But the trend made its way around the world and somehow it landed in Jamaica. And you know what Jamaican people did? With this Are You Single challenge, decided to show intimate moments with them thundering down in their own street with a furlong to go. Yes, man, people, take a look. You see, Uno, why only think we actually go show this and for get my channel in a problem now? You see, Uno, if you don't want to go and see content like that, go and check the solo breeze. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah, man, solo breeze. You understand what I'm saying? Or you can check the corn, the hub of corns. You can go and check that as well. You can go and check my hamster. Oh, that's actually one as well. Jesus, wow. I was trying to say vid, but I forgot that. But why do I know about these things? Oh my God! Wow, you see when you read, really read, you know, like it's enough like, or you know, like on the other side of Twitter. Not that I really know about these things, but like, yeah. What else did I read? Man, I think there is. I'm trying to like something about fans and There are just some other. I can't remember what the readings basically suggested. Hold on, it's somewhere here, but I can't really mention them right now. But honestly, it's not that I really know these things personally, but I just try to keep abreast because for you, that's how I research stuff so I can give the correct information for you burritos. Yeah, man. So people them post up their carelessness and. It got so much to the point where Jamaicans basically have taken on a bad reputation for always going too far with some of these trends. And so TikTok has since caught up and has begun to delete many of the videos, but there are still some left up. And I think it is definitely it's sad when I think about that there are children on the app as well and that they will be exposed to it, but in my mind, it's no different from any other app because on Twitter it's the same thing, on Snapchat they have access and it's kind of weird, but we have to accept that we're in a world now where content and material is very accessible for each and everyone. To the kids them, to the adults them, we can all see the stuff them. And so the most you can do is to actually educate your young ones so that they're aware before them come book up things and get too frightened. They're like, okay, this is what happened, this is a body part, this is what go on. Some people impose this. This is okay for an adult, it's not okay for you. That's the best they can do, but everything out there now, boy, oh boy. Burritos, let me know what you thought of this challenge. And have you partaken? Yeah, that's the word. Number 2, Soul Session JA. Our burritos know, so, Sim Soul Session has a new episode premiering actually tonight, and they will be sitting down with Junelle Bromfield. Now, recently Junelle has made several posts that documented all of the online bullying that she received, talking about her skin color, her relationship with Noah Lyles and how she felt very intimidated, how she felt very discouraged and quite hurt by the remarks made by her own people. And so Simone reached out to her, and according to what the Sim Soul Session team said, when they reached out to her to her interview, she was open, but she did not want to come to Jamaica because she said she just felt she felt concerned and worried, and she never feel comfortable coming here based on all of the online conversations, right? And so people online now decided to take that now and say, wagwan with Junelle. Wagwan wrong with Junelle because nobody now go to Junelle not in Jamaica. Where the girl that do the most for? She a worry and a call about people that do all kind of things and something there when Jamaican people not even business about her. That was what some people shared. And so in the middle of it, you know, Simone, she tried to at least clear up some of the allegations and the suspicions, and she herself got dragged into it. And I think I will speak about that further in another video. But as for now, I'm definitely going to be watching Sim Soul Session. I'd love to hear what she has to say. And I think I initially did a look upon it and me and say, I don't think Jamaican people are going to do anything about why she should feel away. But me just say this quickly. The girl lost a lot of family members over a short period of time, right? And basically Noah and his family are the only support system that she's had. And I can only understand what that would do for somebody, for when you're over in America now with this American family and you are hearing Jamaican people talk about, oh, you're tough like this, you're black like that, and you're seeing comments. Sometimes the feeling is amplified. The same way like when you have the Jamaicans them abroad, when them hear about crime, in their mind them things appear shoot out and go on in Jamaica left, right and center because they're removed from it and all they're looking at is the 1 and 2 little clips and bites. It feels more overwhelming. And so I think that is just the feeling that Junelle might be experiencing. And so hopefully she feels comfortable to return to Jamaica soon. And I guess we can hear her side on Sim Soul Session. But Maridos, what do you make of this moment? Sound off below. And number 1 goes to Baptism Fail. Woo! Whoa! 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 My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to that viral baptism fail. Now, readers, you would have to be living under a rock if you never see this video, because this video was making the rounds and people were laughing because they thought it had a very bad ending. Oh Lord, they did a laugh because no, it was pretty wild. It's like me I watch a video, me I wonder what the hell am I watching. Burritos, let me just go tell you this. Like, so you have one big woman, she was taken to a river, one swamp, one dump, but me don't know about that water, the water that Jesus Christ. The water that look like where Jesus did wash off all the people them sins from back in the day, because that's the way the water look like. So that is where sins go for a wash, man. The water that look like sin and destruction itself. Yes, man. And so you have a pastor, and the pastor, you have a deputy pastor. What you call one the other person and yeah, man, the supporting minister. Yeah, man, they're right there. So now Anchor and the bishop, we're doing this pastoral activity. Take a look.
You're down. No, this is the biggest task you're about to take up. You never faced no other task like this. And when it comes to you and Christ, sometimes it's your blood will start running in your house. The same look up in the way you sit down in the car there. And that's where it will start from. You can't start from your husband. You can't start from you too.
Yeah, and so in the middle of it, now, I said some little things to her now when all of a sudden it was no time for the elephant man dip again. Take a look.
You're going to marry to Christ now. You know, so this is married until death. In sickness and everything. Alright?
No. Hey, no. Hey, them go under the water. You don't want to know that. Stop your breath.
Stop your breath.
Just
relax and go down, mama.
Relax. You hold it.
Relax, my breath.
Just go down. Go down. Oh, take him out.
Hey.
In the name of Jesus. Come on. Hold on. You see it? Hold on. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Now by the time I say, yeah man, so she was dipped again. And the woman nearly, like the woman said, no man, she cannot manage. But they were so convinced that she needed to take a proper dip and be submerged in that murky, dirty, moldy, gingivitis filled water. Oh my God. And so when that was done, the bishop go losing balance and film supporting minister. Then the two of them now I get pulled away in the water. And you have the two, well, I don't know if the two, but the three sisterings them up there, them can't swim neither. So they are not doing one thing at all. All them up there be like, Jesus, Lord God, somebody do something. Pastor, you hear me? Me like the man a drown, the man underwater. Why you think the man go just hear you know and open him up? Oh God, that is offensive. No, it isn't. No, I remember. Like, anyway, so like, what do you expect? Oh my God, like, and then the video person, you have one job. If you got video, at least try to video good. Because at some point, they start to get me annoyed now. Because I actually did wonder, like, what was happening that really caused them to lose them footing like this. And so many people, after this video got posted, many people started to spread stories and saying that the pastor, the bishop, actually passed away. And other people said that the woman that was about to be baptized, that she passed away as well. But I'm very happy to announce that all the members involved in the video, they are perfectly fine. Take a listen. Yeah, man, so we get the confirmation that the bishop is okay, everybody fine. And so I guess if you don't want to laugh, you kind of can't laugh now. Now that you know that all is well. But boy, this just never look good at all. Please, bishop, now bring back the body in the water there. It's a sign. It is a sign, not that water. Not any water. Better take care of the people them go for Emancipation Park, you know, when I look at something, you care them got sovereign. When you walk down the steps, then better take care of them go over there, so at least it look cleaner. Come on, man, do better on that, man. Don't even waterfront better. Come on, man, bishop, man. Jesus, Pim. Okay. Gosh. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. All right, make sure say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to make sure say them find themselves to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. All right. Also, make sure say you go and check out my Oliver interview. They're right here. So, yeah, man, go and go check it out. So far, I've been enjoying the feedback. And let me go announce that the Road to Dutty is coming back this week. Right? So, when we get first to the Road to Dutty that I did with Camilla McDonald, so make sure say you stick and stay for that as well. All right. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right. Take care until next time. Ta-ta.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in. Zine.